Hello, welcome Yarn Besties. My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. If you're new to the channel or watching this video for the first time, thank you for stopping by. I hope you stick around, and if you like what you see in this video, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that way you get updated on when new videos come out, so that way you can follow me on my crafting adventures. And for those of you who are returning viewers and or loyal subscribers, welcome back, as I always appreciate your patronage. So in this video, I thought I would go over my recent yarn haul that I did the other day. So in today's video, I'm going to go over the yarn haul for Ollie's and Michael's. And I'm going to go start with the Ollie's yarn haul first. And I also got a book from Ollie's because they usually have a big selection of books. And so I was lucky to find this book. This is the Ultimate All-Around Stitch Dictionary. This is for knitting stitches. And I looked through this book, and there's all sorts of like different stitches I can work with in different panels. So these are going to be a lot of fun to work with, and maybe I'll do some future videos on these, which would be fun. So let me know if that's something that would interest you. And then for the yarn, so they had the yarn in the one section that I'm familiar with, but they didn't have them there. So I went around the store and I navigated some more. Then they had the yarns in this middle kind of island kiosk standalone type thing, and they had yarn blowout, but most of the yarn there was like the chenille yarn. They had Juicy Couture yarn, and that was basically it. But I'm not really fond of chenille yarn. I don't use it that often, but I was able to find 2 skeins of the Red Heart Super Easy number 6 bulky weighted yarn, and I got 2 of these same color. So I'll go over the stats now. Again, this is a number 6 bulky weighted yarn. It's 100% acrylic, 8.8 ounces or 250 grams, 238 yards or 218 meters, and the colorway is bark. And I will show you all the specifications for that. See, there's for the weight of the yarn, and let's see if I can get that closer so you can see that. And then there is the colorway bark. It's just like a brown color. So, and I do have a project for a simple hat, so I may work on this too. And as a result, because I signed up for their rewards program, so I got the card, and I think I got 15% off of my order when I signed up. So in total, I have the receipt in my hand, and the total for the yarn in the book, and I think also including, I don't think they took off any discount, but overall, it was $18 pretty much, so it wasn't really that bad of a deal. The yarns were not marked, so I didn't know how much they were, but then I guess they were $5 a piece, or $4.99 if you want to be technical. So that is my yarn haul from Ollie's, and then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the yarn haul from Michael's. So now we're on to the Michael's yarn haul. And I'm actually going to show this first. I've been looking for some of these old cable style needles. And Loops and Threads had a 3-piece aluminum cable needle set. And then this gold one here was the one I was referring to in some of my past videos when I mentioned about when I first got into knitting and how I used this style of cable needle to learn cabling. And then this one, and then there's some other styles. And then there's the smaller one of that, like the gold, and then this particular style, which is kind of like that. So, and this one, this cost $7.99. All right, so for the yarns, they had their big twist there, so I got two of them. This is their big twist value, and this is the first one I got. And each of these were $4.99. No, yeah, they had a buy one get half off. So in reality, I only had to pay $2.99 for the second one. But this is the big twist yarn from, and it is 100% acrylic, and it's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. 380 yards or 6 ounce or 347 meters, 6 ounces or 170 grams. Again, it's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and the colorway for this is olive drab. So I'll show you the specs for the length and weight, and then what weight of the yarn is, and then this should be olive drab. And then the second big twist that I like this kind of on a green tone. You'll see in a minute with this whole green thing. Again, same specs as before, but the colorway for this is light green. All right, then the next one, this is for, I'll continue with the Big Twist because I saw these other Big Twist yarns. Some of you may have seen this on social media. This is their Big Twist GG or GG line. It's got the look. I like this green with this like flowery aspect in the yarn. This is it's a Big Twist GG. It's 65% acrylic, 25% wool, and 10% PES, whatever that is. I'm not sure what that PES is. So if anyone out there knows what PES is, and I'll show you what that, so you can see for yourselves. And then it is 93 yards or 85 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And then there's the specs for that. And it's a number 6 super bulky weighted yarn. And then the recommended hook size is a size L11. Or if you're using knitting needles, it's a size US 11. So there's the specs for that. And I got 2 of these. And the colorway for this one is dark green. But when I saw this in the store, I was like, I fell in love with how the light pastel colors of the flowers contrasted against the green. So I can't wait to work with this yarn. And then I also got another one, kind of like that Sakura, like the cherry blossoms Red Heart yarn, the flower power yarn that they have. Again, the colorway for this is white pink. All right, then the next one, again, I'm going with this green theme here. This is from Loops and Threads. It's called their Twist Love. It's a cotton yarn. And you can see there's kind of all the different shades of green and a little bit of maybe taupe in there, maybe some greens in here. And it is 168 yards or 154 meters, 3.88 ounces or 110 grams. And the colorway for this is green multi, and it is a number, oh, it doesn't say what weight it is. It just has the hook size, but here's the specs for the length and weight, and then there's the colorway for this yarn. So I kind of like it because it's kind of got this twisted look to it. So I'm not sure what I'll do with this yarn, but I'll think of something. But I like the way that it looked in the colorway. And then finally, the last one is from Karen. I just got their Cakes yarn. And I love the colorway on this. You can see a lot of blues and purples, like some turquoise and some teals, purples, dark blues, cerulean. And the colorway for this, oh, let me read the specs first. It is 80% acrylic and 20% wool, so it's an acrylic wool blend. 7.1 ounces or 200 grams, 383 yards or 350 meters. It's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. And the recommended hook size for this yarn is a size H or 5.0 millimeter, or for knitting needles, it's a 5 millimeter or US 8. And the colorway for this is Blueberry Shortcake. So I'll show you the specs for the weight and length, and then there's the specs for the weight of the yarn itself, and the recommended hook size and needle size. So you can see that up close. And then there's for the colorway. So let me read over how much all this yarn costs. So the Karen Cakes was $5. I think it was on clearance. The value yarn was regularly $4.99, but I got 2 of them, so I got one half price, which was $2.24. And the twisted cotton was $9.99, and then the Gigi was $7.99, but I got another one, so I got the next one for only $4. So in total, including the cable needle set and all the yarn, this haul came to $40, rounded up. All right, so that concludes my yarn haul. So I hope everyone stays going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Help each other out. Love each other. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important any time of the year. So as a set aside, I put a post out there saying how I've been doing a lot of knitting videos lately, and I've got some positive feedback from everyone saying, oh yeah, keep going on with this. So I just want to make sure that it's something that you're interested in, because I am thinking about doing another video in the near future about how to successfully transition as a crocheter to knitting, because I saw a couple other creators who were doing the same thing like I did. They transitioned from crocheting to knitting, because those are two completely different worlds as far as what tools to use, what stitches to use, how to work the stitches. So I thought I would do a video like that. So that's going to come down later on down the pikes. Be ready for that. And as of right now of this taping, I have 832 subscribers, which is fantastic. Keep the momentum going, guys. I would say spread the love. I just want to get myself out there and let everyone know what I'm all about and what message I'm sending out to everyone. So, and all are welcome to this channel. We're all learning from each other. So the only thing I ask is please no negative comments or anything like that, because this is a positive space. It's a safe space. No judgments. All are welcome. So on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.